Pembrokeshire Coast National Park Youth Committee includes 12 like-minded young people from across Pembrokeshire.
We aim to give young people more of a voice on nature in the national park and help tackle some of the big environmental issues we face.
We have created a youth manifesto for Pembrokeshire concerning issues around living, learning and working in rural and protected areas. We've been involved in the UNICEF 2020 Outright campaign about how climate change will affect children and young people's rights.
Kids deserve every opportunity to reach their full potential, but climate change puts all of this at risk, especially for disadvantaged children who are already vulnerable.
A child sees what we cannot see. Their voices are more important than ever before. All children have the right to voice their opinions and concerns. Visit UNICEF to find out more.
I think it is important that no child is affected by greenhouse gases.
Greenhouse gases are a main cause of climate change, and we need to raise awareness